Hey, Jay Shrek, Desert Wind Harley-Davidson. You know what we got? Pretty much everything when it comes to use. Are you looking for a street bob, right? Well, we've got all the street bobs. For example, look at this one here. Look at this cool paint job. Let's go to the next one. Black, you want black? We definitely got black. Gray, silver, you've got gray or silver. Now let's go outside because we're not done. Come out here, hey, follow me. Look, I've got denim, right? Got black. And if that wasn't enough, we're not done. Come with me. Look at this bad bike right here. Comes with bars, pipes, shorty shocks. Already got the cool guy look to it. So there's just 5 street bobs right in stock. And that's just street bobs. So are you interested in maybe 883s? Nightsters? Oh my gosh, guess what I got? There's 2 right there, but I've got 5 more. We got 7 XL883Ns, right? I got 5, 6, 7 street bobs. We've got every bike you could ever need. And if you're looking for cool guide stuff, this is the place to go. Just because, remember,